Here we have the 2020 GMC Sierra Denali 1500. This truck is black on black. And what makes this one special is this is one of the first Sierra Denalis with a Duramax in it. So it's got that 3-liter turbo diesel engine. This motor is paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's got all of your Denali features, so you've got your heated cooled front seats, Denali grill, dual exhaust. Got memory seating, Bose sound system, 4-wheel drive, heads-up display controls. Excuse the glare. There's your nav, backup camera, rear view camera mirror, and all of your controls down there. And this one actually also comes with auto stop, which I think is pretty interesting. You can turn that on and off. We're just going to take a look at the engine bay real quick. So yeah, it's a 2020 GMC Sierra Denali 1500 with the Duramax diesel engine.